I need your help. I need your help. I need the community's help, because my situation here relates to my cucumber plants. Okay, I have about 5 in the garden, 3 along this backdrop here, and 4 more. Sorry, 2 more. My math is off. 2 more up front. Okay, but something is happening, and I don't want to be premature, and I don't seek to know everything. So I need your help. So let me show you what's happening, because I don't know if it is for the summer, the heat, but we're gonna try and solve this together. Okay, come along with me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the 3 cucumber plants here. First, this one here. Okay, let me show you the best one, or supposedly so. This vine here, this looks very good, and it has the biggest cucumber that I've had so far, and I'm very pleased. But then there is some dewy, whitish dewy things on the leaves. I don't know if you're seeing it, but it's on the lower leaves. The upper one's not so bad, but I'm wondering what's happening. Okay, I want to know. This one now, this one looks like it is on its way to the morgue. I can tell. The leaves are literally gone. It had a lot of blossoms, blooms, it's gone. And as you look down closer to the root here, this is literally, this is dried up. This is at the morgue. Let's just say that, okay? And now I'm gonna show you this other one. My other cucumber plant here, this is the best looking one on the backdrop. I mean, nothing is wrong with the leaves here. I don't know if you can see, oh wow, I have a nice cucumber there coming along, and this is growing. This is fine, this is perfect. So I don't know what's happening, okay? I'm gonna try and see what's happening, because these are 3 cucumber plants close to the same vicinity. These 3 plants are growing directly from the ground, but then one is basically dead, one is super good, one is looking like it soon needs to be on life support. However, it is showing a really big it is producing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my other set up here. Okay, I have on each side of the bed here, these, you can see the dewy looking things. You know what, I should look under the leaves and look here, and I'm not seeing anything flying, but it has a whitish, and it is producing. I see cucumbers here. These are the smaller varieties, by the way. They would need less support, so I put the heavier ones on the backdrop and the smaller ones here. But if you look at this other vine here, all right, or 2 rather, here I see some more dewy, and these lower leaves are looking very yellow, but I also see produce. Okay, I see more cucumbers and a lot of blossoms. As you go higher, they look good. And this one here, this one beside it, it looks real good. So this plant, or these 2 plants, are giving me, let me make sure, yeah, it's 2 different vines. You can see 2 different vines, and one of them looking real good, and the other is looking, you know, kind of sad, but they're in close proximity to each other. So I'm trying to figure out, I don't want to be premature. And this is one thing about the garden, guys. It teaches you that there is no manual. There's no manual involved, and there's no clear-cut answers to anything. But this is puzzling, because same environment, same for the heat, same for the humidity. I didn't do anything special with the soil here. As a matter of fact, the cucumbers down here, these cucumbers are coming directly from the ground. You understand? I planted them in ground, and then they have the things here as mulch, so the roots are good. This root, oh wow, this is very thick, and this looks good. You understand? So this one is not so bad, the one with the really big cucumber here. Oh wow, I love this. Okay, but I don't know what is happening. All right, I'm trying not to be premature in terms of what's happening, but so far I am thinking mildew, white mildew on it, but at the same time mildew would spread. At least that is my thinking. That is the little that I know about it. But then if you have 2 plants the same vicinity here, and one is good, one is not, and you have 3 plants fairly close to each other back here, and one is really good, one is at the morgue, and the other one, you know, holding on and has a very big fruit, you know. So tell me what you guys are experiencing. If you see anything like this on your cucumbers, I need your input and what intervention. And that is the other thing too. I don't want to go blasting this with anything. Of course I have my natural DIY pesticide, but then to be spraying one plant, and a healthy plant, is immediately is immediately next to it. You understand? I don't want to be damaging one plant, you know, for the sake of the other one. You know, so those are the things in the garden here, guys, that sometimes we really have to be patient with and try to understand. But then I seek your input as well. Tell me what you guys think, what you think I should do. One thing that I did do, I want to provide you an update. Remember, I pruned this huge tomato plant because I wasn't giving me anything. And look now, you guys look at this. A tomato here. Yes, this is a cherry tomato, and I see another little one coming there. All of a sudden now it wants to show itself, you know. I'm very happy for that, and I'm gonna continue to watch it. But as I told you guys, I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna keep it to get suckers from it later. Okay, this isn't no theory or no teaching or anything. This is more collaboration. Let us collaborate and see where we go from here. I came in from work. I said, look at things, water, look, and I really wanted to water because I wanted to see flies were raised, but nothing at all. And the other thing I'm going to show you, I have more produce. I'm going to take some tomatoes that I see, and I don't want the birds to get them before me, so I'll show you. Okay, show me what next. Oh, I have a sweet pepper coming along here on this plant. These are doing well. Okay, these are doing well. Oh, let me show you this tomato here. I'm going to take it off. This tree was struggling. I pruned it. I'm going to take it off. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but guess what? I will take it. I'll take it. But there's one down here. Come and let me show you. Look at this, and I have 3 more. Wow, wowie. So I have things that going and some things making sense. I'm gonna take these ones off. You know what, let me leave those a little bit. I'm gonna leave those a little bit. I'm trying to beat the Cardinals, okay? So that's it. So guys, that is the main thing I wanted to update you guys about. There are struggles. My garden isn't perfect, and you have to observe and collaborate sometimes. I'm not a master gardener, so I'm seeking any input that you could give. Tell me what you think these are. These things, it make the leaves look so ugly. I don't like to see it. But anyway, that is Deb here, giving you an update. How is your week going? Please comment, let me know. And I'm signing out until the weekend. We have more to go, we have more to grow. So we're gonna continue to build and learn together, okay? So take care until then. A little downside and a little good side, because I have things to show, okay? So you take care now until next time, okay? Bye.